Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? So, what's the new target of Dogecoin, and what's the price prediction of Dogecoin, and also technical analysis of Dogecoin, my friends, and also what's my opinion to this selling time, holding time, or buying time? So, everything in this video is going very special, and this video makes especially the 3 year crypto master, my friends. First of all, if we can see here the crypto market, my friend, the crypto market has totally lost. You can see here just and only this time Ethereum is going up, otherwise Dogecoin, otherwise all cryptocurrencies where it falls down. Dogecoin is also one of them, my friend. But if you can see here the last 24 hour and especially the last 7 days, exactly Dogecoin moving very fastly, my friend. They cannot fall down, they only jump. We are going in the moon, but I don't know how is it possible today come fails down. So I already know in this video to what's the reason today fails down, my friend. So keep watch this Dogecoin video, absolutely going very important, my friend. But please, if you are new on our channel, click the red button. This is very important, my lovely friend. Please subscribe, my brother. I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for subscription, my brother. Thank you. Okay, my friend, first of all, if you can see here, I already opened you a chart of last 1 hour. This is very important, my friend, because this is the latest. You can see here the latest price is gonna fail down, my friend. 0.319113 US dollar is the latest price. I think they crossed it 0.37 something, like I think they can easily hit it. But the target is 1 US dollar, my friend. Remember, the target is 1 US dollar. So how is it possible if they fails down like this, minus 2.95% they fails down, my friend? If you can see here, this time they fails down, but after this fails they starting jump. Remember this, my friend. This is the last 1 hour. They starting jump. Exactly, they starting jump. After fails down, they starting jump, my friend. And next, you could see here. Okay, first of all, we check out the last 7 days chart to what's going on in the last 7 days, because the last 7 day chart is going very special and very amazing, my friend, because they're moving up like a rocket. Yes, my friend. If you could see here this time, if we draw like this chart, my friend, then exactly I am right. You can see here, my friend. If you can see here this time they jump very high, my friend, and after this jump they falls down slowly. But you can see here they again jump, and this circulation, my friends, continuously they moving up. And you can see here, if you remember at the last 1 hour, friends, my I tell you to remember they starting moving again up. Exactly, this is the point, my friend. Every crypto coins, I have 3 year crypto master, my friends, and experience. Therefore, I tell you to every crypto moving and a circulation. Exactly, sometimes they jump and sometimes they fails down, my friend. This is the circulation. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they jump again, my friend. So this is the circulation, if you can see here, and they're moving up now here. So exactly our target is 1 US dollar, my friend. They fail, you can see here, 0.418224 US dollar is the last 7 day price, but the last 1 hour the price come to 3.7 something for, so they very barely falls down and just in a 1 day, my friend. But I hope in upcoming days they also moving up the target as to 1 US dollar, my friend. What you say, they hit the 1 US dollar at the end of this month? Please tell me in a comment box, my friend. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel with keep touch. Please follow us. I hope I guide you, my friend, every time. If you personally want to message me, personally message me on Instagram. The link is available on my channel. Go and check out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.